If you've stumbled across Howowoh.com and are wondering whether it's a hidden gem for unique lifestyle products or just another shady online storefront, this video is for you. Howowoh claims to be your all-in-one marketplace, offering everything from cozy hoodies and sleek tumblers to tactical gear and quirky, giftable accessories. At first glance, the website might look decent, but dig a little deeper and the cracks start to show. They boldly state they've been around since 2015, but a domain check tells a different story. The site was actually registered in 2020. That's a big discrepancy for a business trying to build trust. Then there's the New York business address listed on their site, which turns out to be a random road with no actual store or office. Even more concerning, many of their product images are recycled from other sites, a common tactic used by low-effort dropshipping operations. Their Pinterest link leads nowhere, and their Instagram has just 13 followers and 0 content, which raises the question, who's actually shopping here? To top it off, we couldn't find any verified user reviews on platforms like Trustpilot, CityJabber, or anywhere else that matters. All of this doesn't necessarily confirm it's a scam, but it doesn't inspire confidence either. With so many warning signs, fake branding claims, lack of transparency, and zero social proof, Howowoh.com looks like a risky bet for your hard-earned money. Proceed with caution.